Yeah, she got the ass like a hippo. Zigzag hits like the shits with a Zippo. Lipstick stains on the dash of the Rento. Strip teaser, ya Caesar, John Lithgow. You wanna win the Rover? Forget the flattery. Vanilla ice cream and 50 shades of Grey's Anatomy. Nothing but boy shorts on. Standing in the mirror saying to a comb, I'd like to thank the Academy. From Backstreet Boys to Blackstreet, driving down the back streets with the baby stroller in the back seat. But no kids, a bunch of coffee cups with no lids, with the Bible verse tatted on the ribs. Biology books and comics, drink till she vomits in the morning, putting spinach in the egg white omelets. Biggie Smalls when the grandmother calls. Dollar menu dinner after buying out the malls. Meditation is a destination. She says how she feels, but when it comes to someone that she loves, it's always hesitation. Her arms got a little peach fuzz, with a Judeo-Christian cross sitting between the D cups. She had an abortion when she was 16. All the women in the family used to call her Miss Thing. Cried when the best friend told her she thinks she all that. But when the grandmama died, dry eyes, 5 guys and tie-dye, Mai Tais and thigh highs. Bike rides at nighttime, but bright skies. Moonlight, the mood right, perfume light, but top pivot. God bless, gazoon tight, yin and yang. Fish and bread, hen and coke. Ain't afraid to show skin. All the men want to poke. Self-conscious about the body, but you ask someone who knows it. Tell your nigga, baby girl, right there is no joke. Peace and love, peace and love.